A high-quality USB-C KVM switch lets you control multiple computers with one keyboard, mouse, and monitor, boosting productivity and reducing workspace clutter. My today's video is about top 5 best USB-C KVM switch that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Minix K1 USB-C KVM switch. The Minix K1 USB-C KVM switch is an excellent solution for professionals, remote workers, and multitaskers who use two computers with a single monitor. Its premium aluminum alloy construction feels durable while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance that complements any workspace. With one-button switching, moving between two laptops or PCs is fast and effortless, eliminating cable swapping and reducing desktop clutter. Supporting stunning 4K at 120Hz HDR, the K1 delivers exceptionally smooth visuals and vibrant image quality when paired with HDMI 2.1 compatible devices. The built-in 100W USB-C power delivery keeps your active device charged, minimizing extra adapters and simplify your setup. Convenient front-facing USB-C and USB-A ports make connecting keyboards, mice, flash drives, and other accessories quick and accessible. Broad compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Harmony OS makes it highly versatile for mixed device environments. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Minix K1 is a reliable, high-performance KVM switch that enhances productivity while keeping your workspace clean and organized. Now our second product is CKLAO Store USB-C KVM switch. The USB-C KVM switch is a premium productivity tool designed for users who need effortless control of two computers with a single monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Its support for stunning 8K at 30 Hz, 5K at 60 Hz, and ultra-smooth 4K at 144 Hz delivers exceptional clarity and fluid performance, making it ideal for professional content creation, CAD work, and competitive gaming when paired with compatible hardware. Built with full compatibility for Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and full-featured USB-C devices, it integrates seamlessly into modern workstations across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS. The three USB 3.0 ports provide fast 5 gigabits per second data transfers for external drives, webcams, and other peripherals, while the dedicated 3.5mm audio jack keeps speakers or headphones connected at all times. Convenient switching via the front button or included wired remote makes multitasking effortless. Combined with its dedicated DC power supply for stable video and data transmission, this KVM switch offers a reliable, high-performance solution for maximizing workspace efficiency and reducing cable clutter. Our third product is non-USB-C KVM switch. The USB-C dual monitor KVM switch is an excellent solution for professionals who need to manage two laptops while maintaining a clean and efficient workspace. It allows two computers to share dual monitors and 4 USB peripherals, eliminating constant cable swapping and streamlining multitasking. With support for up to 4K at 60 Hz and 2K at 144 Hz, it delivers sharp visuals and smooth performance for productivity, programming, creative work, and entertainment. Its built-in 80W USB-C power delivery keeps your active laptop charged while ensuring stable operation, making it ideal for long work sessions. 4 high-speed USB 3.0 ports provide data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, allowing quick access to external drives, printers, keyboards, and other accessories. The switch supports flexible display modes on Windows through MST, while Mac OS users benefit from mirror dual-screen output due to system limitations. Complete with USB-C cables and a wired controller, this KVM switch offers dependable performance, excellent connectivity, and a convenient all-in-one desktop management solution. Now number 4, Cable Matters 20 gigabits per second USB-C KVM switch. This USB for USB-C KVM switch is a powerful solution for professionals who need to share a single USB-C monitor or Thunderbolt docking station across 3 computers. With blazing fast 20 gigabits per second bandwidth, It handles large file transfers, high-speed peripherals, and demanding workflows while significantly reducing desktop clutter. Support for up to 8K at 30 Hz, 5K at 60 Hz, and 4K at 144 Hz on Windows delivers exceptional image quality for creative professionals, developers, and power users. That a standout feature is its ability to transform compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt 4 docking stations into a full-featured KVM setup, allowing seamless device sharing without replacing existing hardware. The integrated 140W power delivery keeps the active laptop charged during intensive workloads, while the included RF remote enables instant switching between 3 systems from anywhere on your desk. Following the recommended compatibility guidelines and using the included USB 4 cables ensures optimal stability and performance. Overall, this KVM switch offers premium flexibility, excellent productivity, and an efficient multi-computer workspace for modern professionals. And our last choice is Lemuel USB-C KVM switch. The Lemuel USB-C to HDMI KVM switch is a practical and reliable solution for anyone managing 2 USB-C devices with a single HDMI monitor and shared peripherals. Its plug-and-play design eliminates complicated setup, allowing you to switch instantly between work and personal devices with a single button. Whether you're using laptops, compatible tablets, or gaming devices, the transition is smooth and efficient. Supporting crisp 4K at 60 Hz video output, it delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors for productivity, media consumption, and casual gaming. The integrated USB ports make it easy to share keyboards, mice, storage devices, and headsets, reducing cable clutter while keeping your workspace organized. A built-in power delivery port supports fast charging for the active laptop, ensuring stable performance during extended work sessions. The compact design makes it easy to carry between home and office, while broad compatibility and responsive customer support add extra value. For users with DP Alt mode-enabled USB-C devices, this KVM switch offers an efficient, dependable, and space-saving desktop solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.